Today, we're diving into the top locations for Pokemon Go in 2024. Whether you're looking for rare spawns, amazing PokéStops, or epic gym battles, I've got the best spots for you, so let's get right into it. First up, we have one of the most iconic places for Pokemon Go. That is New York City, USA. Central Park in the New York City. This place is buzzing with activity, tons of Pokestops, and rare Pokemon spawns. Whether you're hunting for that elusive Dragonite or just stocking up on Pokeballs, Central Park is the place to be. Number 2. Japan. Tokyo is a bustling hub for Pokemon. With its vibrant culture and countless Pokestops, don't miss Yuna Park and the famous Shibuya crossing for some incredible catches. Ueno Park is specially known for its rare spawns and frequent events. Definitely a must visit. Now, let's head to Europe, specifically to Paris, France. Paris offers a romantic and exciting Pokemon Go experience. The Eiffel Tower area and Luxembourg Gardens are perfect spots to explore. These coordinates will guide you to the heart of Paris. Enjoy the blend of culture and Pokemon. Our next stop is Sydney, Australia. Sydney is renowned for its beautiful landscapes and Pokemon Go friendly locations. Circular Quay and the Sydney Opera House area are prime spots. Don't miss out on the chance to catch some unique Pokemon while enjoying the stunning views. And that's it for today's top Pokemon Go spots in 2024. We hope you found this guide helpful and exciting.